How to send messages on Grindr. So you are on the Grindr, you found someone interesting and now you are wondering, how do I actually send them a message? It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, find the profile of the person you want to chat with. For example, I want to chat to this person right over here. Let's tap on it. Then you'll be seeing this type of interface right over here. However, I may not be able to show you the rest process because I'm using the free version of this one. But the process is when you tap on the profile, you'll be seeing the message like icon. I have kept the photo right over here. So you will see that type of icon. So I have to simply tap on it. Then you'll be taken to the inbox like this. So this is how your inbox look like. Let's explore more on the message section. So here you can see an option for the camera icon. That means you can see the photo from this. There's smiley, there's location, and there's this explanation mark where you'll be seeing the set phrases right over here. So what you have to do is let's tap on this message, type the message, and add the emoji if you want. Let's see what's trending right over here. Then simply tap on this arrow right over here, and the message is delivered. Now you just wait for the reply. Keep an eye on your notification, and when we hit you back, the conversation continues right there in the same chat window. Easy peasy, right? So go ahead, give it a try. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.